Students, I'm taking in next first para. First para means what is first point? Though the house and grounds belonged to my grandparents, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine, chiefly because grandfather at 65 could no longer climb it. Here narrator is giving its own opinion that though the house and grounds belonged to my grandparents, the house and the grounds both were related to the author's grandparents. What was there? The magnificent old banyan tree. Magnificent means beautiful. Banyan tree, old banyan tree was mine. Means of the narrator. Chiefly because grandfather at 65, it was the opinion of the narrator that as at the age of 65, the grandfather was unable to climb on the banyan tree. For longer climb, it means he was unable, means he could not climb longer on it. So means it is sure that the man who is of 65, age of 65, cannot climb on the banyan tree. That is why narrator was thinking that it was his own tree, own banyan tree. Point number 2 I am taking, its spreading branches which hung to the ground and took root again. What is here? Its spreading branches. There were the spreading branches also, and which hung to the ground. These branches were hanging to the ground and took root again, and they were taking roots also to the ground, forming a number of twisting passes. And in this way, while these branches took root, they create a twisting passes, means zigzag passes, gave me endless pleasure. Or this creation of by the banyan tree, twisting passes, everything were giving a endless pleasure to the narrator. Pleasure means happiness. Among them were squirrels and snails and butterflies. Here author is going to give here that among these twisting passes there were the squirrels, there were snails and butterflies. Means among these twisting passes or stems or roots of the branches of the banyan tree, there were the squirrels, snails and butterflies. The tree was older than the house. Author is telling here that the tree was older than the house. Means tree was more older than the house. Means house was built after the tree. Older than the grandfather. Means older than the grandfather, and it was older than the grandfather also. As old as Dehradun itself, and that banyan tree was as old as the Dehradun itself. I could hide myself in its branches. Here narrator is telling that he could hide himself in its branches behind thick green leaves and spy on the world below. And what was there behind the thick green leaves and spy on the world below, watch secretly. Means and he could watch the world under the banyan tree. Whatever things was happening, he could watch very secretly from that banyan tree. It was the story in this chapter and narrator is giving its own experience whatever he had seen there. Students, I am taking today only two paras. In next lecture I will take next one also. Till then you have to go through it, write hard words of this topic, this page, and learn it also. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.